serotonin hit, feeling like something new. The light fills my euphoric days ahead. Now that I'm done with you, euphoric days for me to take more